Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make some easy butter cookies. These yummy cookies, by itself or with spice nuts, could make one perfect homemade Christmas gift. The complete recipe is in description underneath the video. Refer to my other video to learn how to make the homemade spice nuts. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipes of many other kinds of yummy food. I recommend to use this kind of cookie press. Let's measure all ingredients first. All ingredients should be at room temperature. Beat butter with icing sugar using the paddle attachment. It's okay to use an electric hand beater if you don't have a freestanding mixer like this. Beat butter and icing sugar until creamy. Add vanilla extract. Add egg whites and beat until fully incorporated. Meanwhile, mix the flour, cornstarch, and salt together. At low speed, add flour mixture into the butter. Turn to medium speed and continue to beat until fully incorporated. Insert the snowflake plate to the bottom of the cookie press. Twist to close. Spoon the batter into the cookie press. Twist and close the top. Do not grease your cookie pan. Hold the cookie press firmly and vertical onto the cookie pan. Press and release one cookie at a time. Refrigerate for 10 minutes. Preheat oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Convection bake at 335 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. While baking the first one, prepare the second pan of cookies and refrigerate. Remove the first pan from the oven and bake the second one. Let the first pan of cookies cool for 10 minutes, then remove them from the pan. Variation will be the matcha butter cookies. Mix matcha powder with the flours and cornstarch and salt. Follow the same procedures as the regular butter cookies. Normally, I add 1 drop of green colorings into the dough. This time, I will use the Christmas tree plate for the cookie press. For toppings, I would use dark chocolate wafers and sprinkles. Microwave the chocolates at 50% power for 1 minute, then stir and repeat until the chocolate is fully melted and smooth. Dip half of the cookie into the chocolate and place it on the parchment paper-lined cookie pan. Top with sprinkles to decorate. I would like to use white chocolate wafers for the Christmas tree. Normally, 1 tablespoon of shortening is needed to thin the white chocolate paste. It also thickens easily, so I let it sit inside a bowl of hot water. Dip half of the tree in white chocolate and top with sprinkles to decorate as well. The cookies look so pretty and yummy as well. Pack the cookies in small portions. I will buy some gift boxes from dollar store and pack the cookies in nicely. These yummy cookies go well with my spiced nuts. They make a nice and cute, yummy homemade gift for your friends and family to enjoy for this holiday season. Try to make some today. Enjoy!